The easiest food reheating trick you need to know. The best trick to keep flies and insects away. Want your Moroccan fekkas to stay crispy and delicious for weeks? Learn the best storage method to keep its perfect crunch and fresh taste for a long time. Simple tips that make a big difference. Add sugar. This simple trick gives your cake an amazing citrus aroma, removes any eggy smell, and fills your kitchen with a delicious fragrance everyone will notice. Mix granulated sugar with orange zest well.